Birds are just like any married couple, monogamous, meaning they will be partners for a lifetime. Pretty romantic, right? But as any couple will attest in a relationship, there will always be battles. Meet Sassy and Rocky, our beautiful pair of green-winged macaws. And today, they will battle it out to see who's the best in a basketball game. But before we start this battle, I will divide you guys into two groups. Where's the girls? All the girls who will cheer for Sassy. Come on, girls, want to hear a cheer? Sassy! Sassy!
Sassy! Sassy!
Very good! And all the boys will cheer for Rocky. Come on, boys, let me hear your cheer. Rocky! Rocky!
Rocky! Rocky!
Very well! So, birds ready? Trainers ready? Set, go! Here comes Rocky on his first ball. First goal for Rocky, followed by Sassy. Second goal for Rocky. Oh, it's a tight goal for the last ball. Rocky wins! What can you say about that? You guys lose this time.
Hold it, we want another race.
Oh, they want another race, Trainer Sean.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
This time, I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
So what race do you have in mind?
I want a ring race.
And what is a ring race?
The first bird who can grab 3 rings into the pole, the fastest is the winner. And that is the ring race.
So a ring race it shall be. Remember guys, that boys already have 1 point. So girls, let's cheer louder for Sassy to win this time. We'll be doing this again, and this time a ring race. Ready, set, go! Here comes Rocky on his first ring. Rocky, second score for Rocky. What's happening? Sassy picks up two rings at the same time, and the winner is Rocky! A round of applause for Sassy and Rocky with Trainer Marshall and Trainer Sean.